Hello guys, welcome to Forex Checked. My name is Uwe Baridwan and I'm going to take you on the tutorial today on how to use mobile trading view and MetaTrader 4 to perform any kind of analysis on your device. So before we continue, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, and then come back next Saturday for a fresh video on how to use mobile to trade and perform analysis. Yeah, let's dive in. Today I'm going to talk about mobile trading view, and we're going to look at an introduction to mobile trading view, an overview of mobile trading view, and some key features you can find in mobile trading views and what you can find in MetaTrader 4, and why MetaTrader 4 is very difficult for some people to trade, perform analysis on, and also why trading view is also difficult for some traders to perform analysis on. So let's dive in. This is my watch list as initial open. If you don't have it installed on your phone, MetaTrading View, just go to their Play Store. If you are an Android user, then download it from there, install it on your device. And if you are an iPhone user, go to your App Store, download the Trading View app, and then install it also on your device. Once you install the Trading View on your device, this is the initial watch list you see, and you will see all this in your watch list. So here I have my watch list. So we're going to just make a tour around the trading view and some key things you need to know about the trading view now. So this is your watch list. The next thing we are going to look at now is your chart. So this is your chart, your default chart that you can find on your trading view, and as you can see, it's very flexible. You can squeeze in and you can expand, you can move it left and right, up and down. So all this you can do with your trading view app. All right, so let's look at the ideas. Here is the ideas. So how can you use these ideas? Okay, in these ideas you find some analysis and prediction, or let me say so analysis and prediction from people all over the world about some currency pairs or all the currency pairs. So you can come here. This is editor's pick, that is top analysis of the day or of the week. So you can see different kind of analysis here for different currency pairs. So from the top here you can look at newest. So if you want to check the one from this week, from today or yesterday, you can check popular one, newest. You can see the popular one here, BTC USD, and you can see all the analysis and people's ideas concerning these pairs for the week. Also you can check for the newest one, and you will see when they drop it. This one is 1 minute ago, this one is 3 minutes ago, and this one is a 3 minutes ago. So you see people drop their ideas here always. And why is this important? It helps you to get an insight about a currency pair. So even when you are doing your own analysis, you finished your own analysis, you can come here and see other people's ideas and see whether it corresponds with what you are doing, and if there's any mistake you need to correct, then you can also correct it. So the following, if you have any particular person in mind that you like his or her analysis, you can follow the person back to back, and whenever he drops analysis on certain pairs, you can see it and then compare it or follow it up to use it to trade. So anybody you follow will be listed here. The beauty of this is that if you're a fundamental trader, this helps you a lot to technical analyst, this helps you a lot to follow up how to perform technical analysis and get more ideas from people all over the world. And the next thing we are going to look at is news. This is very important for those that are called fundamental traders. So if you trade fundamentally, that is, you're a news trader, then this is for you. You find all news related to currency pairs or currencies. So we see all here. The very first one is all. You can go down here, you will see news affecting different currencies or currency pairs. So if you're a crypto trader, then we have here news concerning cryptocurrency, how it can affect the markets. Then we have currencies, for example, US dollar, euro, New Zealand, Japanese yen. All this currency, you can just check news about the economy and how the the news will affect their currency, the currency of each country. So we have our stocks here, stock traders. Also, if you need it, there are news here that you can follow up back to back and get what you want. Indices also is here, and then futures, bonds. So if you're a fundamental trader, trading will give you this pace for you to be able to see news at the finger of your tip, so that you can easily follow what is happening and then have a good look at it and trade with it. Okay, then the next thing we have to look at now is your profile. And once you download the mobile trading view on your app, it is requested that you registered with them, because if you don't register, you cannot make proper use of the app. So once you register, this will be your profile. I just opened this account initially just for the purpose of this training. So that is why you see everything is 0 here, following 0, followers 0, and published 0, and then reputation 0. How does this work now? If there's any analyst or trader that you're following on TradingView, then you'll be seeing it following the person you're following. Then if you are somebody that you're dropping analysis on TradingView and people like your analysis, then somebody can follow you, and when you drop a new picture or video on certain pairs, they will also see it. Then anything you published or post on TradingView will be recorded here. That is why you see published 0. And also reputation. These are the comments or reviews from people that are using TradingView. You can also see there. So this is how TradingView has made these things easier for you to use it. And also we're going to look at some few settings you can also do here on your TradingView. If you look at this top right corner here, you will see settings symbol there. So you can choose to edit your profile, put your picture, location, Twitter name, YouTube channel, and then you put your YouTube username and all this kind of things. Set it up so that if you are dropping videos that you want people to watch it in full, then they can go to your YouTube channel and also watch. Then if you don't understand English, they also made it possible for you to change it to any language that you wish to see everything in. So you can switch languages here, there. Then if you need dark theme mode, it's also here. You can turn it on or turn it off, so it's in dark mode now. And then if you can keep your screen on while you are using TradingView, then alert log, so you see everything you are doing here on MetaTrader. Nothing is here right now because this is empty account. All your activities will be there, and then your subscription. If you wish to subscribe to a TradingView plan, then you can see their bundles here. And I believe in your own country it will be in your currency pair. If you're in United States of America, you will see it in dollar, then just like that. So the benefit of subscribing to their Provision or Plus or any of either premium is that you get access to all these features. That is 5 indicators per chart. You can add 5 indicators if you're a pro user. You can add 5 indicators per chart. Then all these things you can just add it to your chart. Then if you are a Pro Plus, then all these features here also you can also add it. These are the more advantages of using subscribing to their plan. So and once you subscribe to their plan, you gain access to many more things that helps enhance your trading or analysis. But don't worry, there are also better ways or features you can also enjoy while using the free version. So you can go to your watch list. If you've organized your watch list, you can come here, and if you want to see logos of the currency pair you are trading with, you can see it. If you don't want to see it, you can just turn it off. And as you turn it off now, if you come here, all right, you can see that there's no currency, no logo to any currency pair here. So if I go back again and then go to my watch list and turn it off, so all right, so here you see that there is logo for any of the currency pair you're going to trade. So back to the settings again. Your charts, you can hide the dark bar or you can leave it on. So we'll look at them one by one and just do an introduction to this. And remember to get the best from us here and how to use any of these, either TradingView or MetaTrader 4 perfectly, you have to follow us back to back and watch this video step by step, so that at the end of the day you will not regret watching this video. Follow us back to back, then watch, subscribe to the channel, so that once you drop a new video you will get notified. So let's go. You can refer a friend to the this thing to use Tradingview if you wish, and then you will see a customer link. You can follow them on social media, about us, contact information, help center, and then you can sign out. So these are the few things you can do from your setting here on your mobile device. So if you start following people, this is how your profile will look like. Your picture will be there that you're seeing F, and then that's how beautiful it is. So let's go back to our watch list. There is one beautiful thing about Tradingview watch list. It's so customizable that you can arrange it in the way you want, and you can set it the way you want to set your watch list. Unlike trading this MetaTrader 4. Let's look at it one by one now. If you look at my left hand side, at the top left hand side of the Tradingview screen, you will see three dotted line there. If you click on it, you will see that I have my watch list, and all the currency pairs that I'm trading is here on the watch list. So I can decide to organize my watch list how I want it to do, how I want it to be. The first thing I'm going to do now, I don't want all these pairs here, so I need to delete it first. So I'll just long press on this pair and then click on delete. I will delete them one by one. It's as simple as that. And another thing you can do now, you can do a whole lot of things from here, but now I want to remove these pairs from here. By the time I'm done with that, and I will now look at how you can organize your watch list very well. And this is going to be the first thing we're going to talk about, and for this tutorial, how you can keep your watch list clean, create a better portfolio for your trading. So just follow up. I will delete everything out. Okay, I think these currency pairs here, they are okay. So now let me just delete this also, this section. I don't want any section here, so remove stocks. So I have on my watch list here, I have two sections here. I have the first one, I have the Forex section, which is this one in highlighted colored, and then I have the crypto the crypto section here. You can see it here, the crypto section. So these are the two sections I have now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add currency pairs to Forex, and then add currency pair to crypto. I'm sure you have to do this step by step. So for me to add currency pair to this, I will just have to go to this plus sign here at the top right corner, click on that plus sign, and then let me search for US the Japanese yen. Okay, so I'll just click on this US Japanese yen, and it's added here. So I have BTC USD and BTC USD. Let me just remove one, and then okay, let me remove BTC, and then try to add it here so that you know I'm going to arrange it. So I'll go back to that plus sign again. Now I have BTC USD. So initially when I added it, you know that you see that it automatically go to this place in this area, but when I added currency pair, it goes into this. So I'm going to create another section. So this section I'm going to create, I'm going to add I want to add a section above. So I'll call this section my fave. Let me just say like that, my fave. All right, so done. Okay, my fave pairs. Okay, now I don't want this to be here, so I'm going to add a section, a symbol below. So here I'm going to search for card USD. So see, I added card USD to this place. So if I go to these three lines at the top right corner of the screen, so here I have my watch list. I just click on it and take me here, but I don't want this watch list to be here. So how can I remove it? So go back again. I have done analysis on this red list, I mean on this BTC USD. and I'm waiting for confirmation, I can just add that flag to it, so that then once I come, I can easily know pairs that I've done analysis on and pairs that I've not done anything on. So the importance of flag to your currency pair is that you can easily separate them when you have series of currency pair lining up in your watch list. So you can easily separate them from pairs that you've not analyzed, because if you have them, if you don't select, if you don't put them in sections like this, you will find it very difficult when you have like 20 pairs here. So you find it very difficult to easily get to the one you've performed analysis and you're waiting for confirmation. No, there are times you can perform analysis on 20 pairs or 15 pairs over the weekend, and then you're waiting for some actions or confirmation before you enter into the market. So there are some pairs that are more important to you than others. So how do you separate them from the one that is less important, that are less important? What you do, you add flag to those pairs. Just click on it and then add flag. So by adding flags to these pairs, I am simply saying that these are my most important pairs that I'm looking after. So when I come, I just need to just go into that place, check my red list, and I have two pairs and I keep my eyes on it, than for me to screw and begin to look for the ones I've done analysis on, the one I've not done, the one I'm waiting for confirmation. You can easily separate them like this, and it goes very easy for you to come back anytime at any moment and see your pairs and arrange them. If you don't want them, you can remove them. Let me show you can remove it. When you are done with that pairs, you can also come here and click on this pair and you remove it. From here you can remove flag, just like that, and it's out. I don't have anything in my red list again, so red list out. To this place, watch list again, I can easily delete everything also from this place, and all my pairs are being deleted. So I'm just right clicking on it, just long press on it, USDG, okay, USD. All right, so now I have only the section, so I don't even need these sections anymore. So I'll also delete the section, then start everything afresh for you for one more time so that you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, now I don't have any section, I don't have any pair in my watch list, so I'm going to add symbols to the watch list. Also, I can also click on this plus sign or this symbol here, or add symbol, plus sign or add symbol. So I'm going to click on plus sign, and the first thing I'm going to add, my fifth pair here, is Australian USD. Okay, I'm going to add another one, Australian Japanese yen. Okay, I'm going to add Euro USD. Okay, so let me say I have these three pairs here. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I can separate them from crypto or indices. So I can just click and say add section above. So I put section here, currency. Okay, so I have here, you can see now I have currencies here. So I can come here, now I want to add another section to separate it from this one. So I can come to this thing, just long press on the last one if you want to add section above these currencies. So I'm going to put long press on Euro USD and add section below, or add symbol below. So if I click on add symbol below, now I'm going to find BTC. So I've added BTC. What I want to do now, I want to create section for cryptocurrencies. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add section above. So crypto. Now there will be section above. That was how they created those sections. So anything concerning crypto will be added here automatically. Anything concerning currency pair will be added here automatically. And if I'm trading indices, I can also do likewise by creating section Why is this important? It helps you to separate currency and easy access to anything that you are doing here on MetaTrader 4. Unlike on TradingView, unlike MetaTrader 4, whereby everything is just combined into one watch list, and you have to scroll up and down at times, look at for the one you've done analysis, if you can remember easily. So this one made it very easier for you to go through it and then do what you want to do. Let me just say, okay, let me just assume that I have done analysis on these two pairs here. How do I know that I've done analysis? I'm keeping my eyes on these pairs. I just long press on it and then click add flag. So I click on this one again and long press add and click on add flag. So now I have a red sign here to this currency pair. What am I trying to say now? I have done analysis on these two pairs and my eyes are on it. I'm waiting for confirmation for me to just enter. But other pairs doesn't have like that. That is the beauty of TradingView. It helps you just organize your watch list perfectly. So if I go to this place again, so you can see, sorry, not there, to this side, you can see my red list, you can see my watch list, and you can see how things are arranged. If I'm looking for only red list, here I have it automatically. If I'm looking for only watch list, here I have it already. So it combines it automatically and make things easier for me to do. That is how you can easily organize your watch list. Another thing I'm going to show you here, if you long press on this pair, then you can see the symbol information. So the symbol information only gives you analysis about that symbol, analysis about that currency pair. So if you are somehow lazy at times, you don't want to trade, you don't want to do much analysis, but just look at analysis from other people, then by the time you just click symbol information, it takes you to this place whereby you see analysis from different people about this TradingView. Let's just look at it from the beginning now. You see that the very first analysis here is saying the same thing, here is saying the same thing, here is saying the same thing, here is saying the same thing. And you see that almost everybody, they are saying the same thing about Australian Japanese yen, that is going to go short. So from there, you can also have a good idea on how to trade. If you are an analyst before, then you can trade and then you can begin to do your own analysis and wait for more confirmation for you to trade. If you are looking for a newest one, news concerning this trade, you can just go here and you will see the news that also drives the market. Yes, you can go here, click on it, and you can look for a newest one just by clicking on this drop down here, the newest one. So once you click on the newest one, you will see different people's opinion. This is video. If you like to watch the video, you can watch it there. This is somebody's analysis also saying the same thing, and you see almost everybody have the same prediction and overview about this currency pair. That is the beauty of using TradingView. It's just help things easier. Long pressing on it also, you can open your chart direct. So after looking at people's analysis, you come here and will perform your own analysis. Unlike TradingView, MetaTrader 4, you can't do these things on MetaTrader 4. Now looking at the chart here, we are going to look at how to navigate the whole chart, things to get. But today my main focus was on how to organize your watch list in TradingView. So remember, clicking on your plus sign, and then from here you search any symbol you want to search, and once you search, it comes out. Remember, let me see, just say USD, cable USD. Okay, well, once you click on cable USD, you will see it from different people. You will see the one from currency.com, 8cap.com, with finance and investment.com. Then you see fxopen.com. You see it from different people. It doesn't mean who you are collecting it from, the chart you are opening it from. You can open from any of these companies or brokers. So just open anyone you want, and it's okay for you to go with it. The most popular one is Wanda FX these are the most popular one. You can always get, they are the top. So even me, I like using either of these two, FXCM or Wanda. So you can click on anything, it's okay, then it's added there, you open it, just click on it and the tab is open. So it doesn't mean that when you long press on it you open the tab. No, the chat, just click on it and the chat is open for you to see what you want to see and then perfect or perform your analysis. So remember, this video continues every Saturday. Next Saturday, come back and we're going to dive into chat, how to make proper use of this chat, and then as we go on, we'll look at different things we can do on Tradingview. So until then, happy trading. See you next week. Don't forget to subscribe to this Tradingview video tutorial and Forex checked. Subscribe to Forex checked and then like, share, invite others to come and see, because by the end of each of our series, you will be able to perform any kind of analysis. Thanks.